Dito po tayo ngayon sa Mountain View College, dito po sa Barangay Mount Nebo, Valencia, Bukidnon. Ito po ang grand opening parade na ginaganap dito sa puok na ito, ang East is the White Congress. At ito po ay may tema na Jesus is coming, get involved. At ito po mga kapatid ay dinadaluhan ng mga delegado mula sa Southern Asia Pacific Division. Ito po yung Parade of Nations na pinangungunahan ng Master Guide, CBI Ensembles at ng MVC Band. Narito po sa parade na ito ang mga guests ng General Conference of Seventh-day Adventists, ang East SD. Narito rin po ang Malaysia Union Mission, Myanmar Union Mission, Singapore Conference, Southeastern Asia Union Mission. Narito ang Timor-Leste Mission, East Indonesia Union Conference, ang West Indonesia Union Mission, kasi nagpa-vlog na kami. Biglang nagpa-vlog eh. Yan po ang ADRA, Adventist Development Relief Agency. Ito po yung North Philippines Union Conference. Ito po yung North Philippine Union Conference. Kung saan po kinabibilangan ito po ng inyong lingkod. Pasok na. NPUC. Ang Palawan Mission na kinasasakupan po nito shoutout po kay Sir Ronnie Pitakan. Yan po ang mga delegates sa sobrang dami po. Presently po ay sinasabi ang bilang na dumating first day ay nasa more or less 30,000 delegates mula sa iba't ibang kinasasakupan ng Southern Pacific Division of Seventh-day Adventists. Nandito rin po ang Southwestern Philippines Union Conference. So napakasaya at napakasigla po ang mga delegadong dumating dito po sa araw na ito. So hanggang sa darating pang mga araw, siguradong masasaya ang mga nagsidalo sa programang ito. So Jesus is coming, get involved. Tara na, samahan nyo kami sa isang linggong East is the White Congress. Dumating na po kami dito sa venue po kung saan ginaganap ang mga programa araw-araw. Tara po, samahan niyo po ako. Subaybayan niyo po ako sa programang ito sa channel ng Vince Traveler's Diary. At live po ito ninyong mapapanood sa Hope Channel Philippines. Tara na, samahan niyo kami.
We would like to welcome ADRA Philippines. There you go. They are very well represented. All right. So as we wait for others to come in, all right, we will have a short break. Delegates from North Philippines.
Yan po in-announce yung pagdating namin ng mga delegado ng North Philippine Union Conference.
Exactly. Metro Manila, the capital of the Philippines, is situated in the North Philippine territory. So we have the provinces of Ilocos and the Palawan, Sorsogon, and other parts of the Ilocos region.
Yeah, I also would like to congratulate our leadership of this Congress.
Right.
Thank you for making it nice. You know, it's so hard to organize an event of as big as
Right.
this. Imagine 30,000 people in one setting. You have to create the traffic rules, parking spaces, and rules for residents temporarily can follow for 1 week.
So this is getting involved in action. This is the exact example of everyone, regardless of what ministry you're part of, regardless of what department.
Ito na po, the entry of colors by CBI Ensemble.
Thank you.